Everybody on this stage, whether they're a contestant or a volunteer or a minister or a sponsor, did their part to get Carnival here today. And I would like to thank all of you all for coming out to support Carnival this year. It's not an easy year. It's been a long time since we had Carnival. So today as well, before I continue, I want to make sure to let the ministers say something to you, and as well our main sponsors. If Ruel is here from ILTT, please come to the stage. That's the only sponsor we haven't seen yet. Before I get to the ministers, I want to bring in one of our main sponsors, TELEM, Mr. Kendall Dupersoy.
Good evening, good evening, good evening. Good evening to the Minister of Culture, the Minister of Theatre, and protocol having been served. Like the President says, this is not possible without people on stage here, the contestants, the Carnaval Foundation, and I want to say a special thank you to my staff because they're the ones that actually do all the work. They're the ones that, I'm very impressed by the way with the decoration, so thank you for that. And having said that, TELEM is always happy to work with SCDF in bringing forth the most important cultural event on the southern side of St. Maarten. And we as TELEM work together with SCDF. It's not always smooth run-ins, but in the end, we do it. But the most important part of our entire collaboration is you, the people of St. Maarten. And once you enjoy yourself in a safe manner for Carnival, we think that it's a success. So I want to wish you all a safe, a blessed, and a happy Carnival for 2022. We miss it for 2 years. Let's make sure this one is great.